Welcome back to the Phone Transformer. Today we'll show you how to deactivate your Facebook account but keep Messenger. It's quick and easy. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Step 2. Tap on the 3 lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open the main menu where you can access all the important settings. Step 3. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. This is where Facebook stores all your account preferences and controls. Step 4. On the left-hand side, click on Account Center. This is a hub for managing multiple accounts and their settings in one place. Step 5. In the Account Center menu, click on Personal Details. Here you'll find options related to your account information and security. Step 6. Select Account Ownership and Control. This section lets you manage your account status, including deactivation or deletion. Step 7. Click on Deactivation or Deletion. You'll now see the options to either temporarily deactivate or permanently delete your account. Step 8. Choose the account you want to deactivate. If you have multiple accounts linked, make sure to pick the correct one. Step 9. Select Deactivate Account and tap Continue. This will take you to the next step where you'll confirm your choice. Step 10. Now enter your password and tap on Continue. Facebook requires this for security reasons to verify it's really you. Step 11. Now select the reason for deactivation and tap on Continue. This helps Facebook improve its services, but you can skip if you prefer. Step 12. Now tap Continue again. You're almost done, just one more step to go. Step 13. Now finally tap on Deactivate My Account. Your Facebook profile will be hidden, but Messenger will stay active for your chats. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.